Right, camera head. Get into character. Right, so we are back over at the barn today and we're setting out the brickwork we're here to get the brickwork up to DPC. So there's been a lot of moving parts on here while we've not been in here. There's been a lot of demo work and walls coming down and basically a lot of digging out for pads and concreting, and we are here now today to get this brickwork up to DPC. It's about a 12 metre long footing, 6.4 metres out from the existing barn. We're just cleaning up the footing now. We've got 2 mixers on the go because we're a 3 and 2. But there's just going to be one guy constantly mixing today because we're going to go for this. So yeah, as you can see, if you obviously watched the last video, you've seen that me and Lee, and young Ryan when he's on holiday now, but we concreted this footing. We troweled it all up. It's been a bit of a mess because lads have been ripping out, piling a load of grab wagons there. But yeah, we're up to get this up to DPC now. Cleaning off the footing. Like I say, we've got 2 mixers on the go for mixing. Block loaded out in the middle and blue engineering brick. What we're going to do with these blue engineering brick, we just sent Callum over to MKM Tech. Basically, they sent us some powdered dye, but we're going to go for the liquid. So he's gone to get that so we can put a bit of a black tint in the mortar for it. But yeah, looking forward to getting this up to DPC. It's going to be a good one. Sniper.
Level that, right level.
That corner will be because we started to run out, so it might just be dipping, do you know what I mean?
Have you seen the
No, that's in him. What's that way?
6 mil.
6.
Bang on, man.
Pretty bang on, Ollie.
Down a bit there.
Yeah, but that's on the end of the. That's on the end there. Do you know, on the where we have to step here? So.
Yeah. So that's just diving down a bit there.
So from where you are, Ollie. Hold on.
280 we've got. Get it to course.
Right, so where you are there, we are 6 mil from there all the way to that corner. So basically just a normal bed. It's 6 mil in it.
We don't need to course into the house, do we? Or we're going to course over there.
Anyway, I'll just get to the floor level. Don't worry about getting course in. You just want to work off that, don't you? You block anyway, so you'll be out of
timber there.
Well, it will just make it.
Yeah, just sort of work it to course, mate. So that works half coursing, we'll just go course. Because it's block work, you don't make no odds, it's all being rendered.
That's what you see.
That's 525, so.
That's right, yeah. Oh no, sorry.
Oh, you got Imperial, haven't you?
Yeah, it won't matter because it's 525. We'll just make it 2 anyway.
That's what I mean.
So we'll just ring
just put a course of trench round level, bang on, get it right, and then just gauge up to 10 nice 10 mil beds.
Yeah, for 3 courses.
Yeah. Because there's no point tying into anything because it's going to be block work. No. Just pull it along the side there, Lee, and put the bath there. Just don't knock the layers off because it'll fuck everything up, but just put it there. You know what I mean? When we say we've got a mortar bath, we actually mean we have a mortar bath. snack.
Got enough there?
Yeah.
Sign up now and code of UK for 60% off. Sunshine is great, and it's getting so cold. You need a tree.
You could be our next winner on Monday when there's 130 grand up for grabs.
That's it. Right, so that is us done for today. The brickwork is now up to DPC. Ollie's gone round and basically, whoops, I'm on a pile of crap here and he fell over. Basically, Ollie's gone round and jointed it all up. We're not going to brush it off tonight or polish up the blues because the motor's still wet. For some reason, blue engineering brick take a while for the motor to go off. But it's all looking nice and clean, looking smart. We've got a course of block, 2 courses of commons to finish off tomorrow. And there's just the right hand side gable leg just to finish. So we should only be here for a good couple of hours tomorrow and we'll be done. But yeah, that's us done. Then that'll be us done on this job. For the groundwork to come back and stone it all up on Monday. Just going to cover everything up now with Hessian, just in case it rains. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Oh, so I'm literally just putting my wellies on because it's a dirty job. Wellies on, nice and clean. This is a right dirty job. So we're back over on the barn today. So we've got the concrete commons just to get up to DPC. We've also just been told Baramix have just been ordered and they'll be here within the hour. So I'm going to jump on the concreting. I'm going to leave Wayne on the commons. There's a couple of trenches and a couple of pads that need concreting, and I'll do all that while he just cracks on with the brickwork. Then I'll jump on with him afterwards. One down, 3 to go.
Sweating.
Sweating, mate, yeah.
Put it on you being frame, that one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Come on, grab it.
Slow mo, like it.
You being framed.
You nearly killed me.
Drop it to your leg.
Mate, I fucking sent me to the wall, didn't I?
Let us know when you're wetting up again, bro.
Yeah, well.
Side here, right?
Right, so that's us done now. Packing up the tools, cleaning off, putting everything away. Concrete and brickwork, concrete commons and the engineering brick are up to DPC. All the concreting footings have been all concrete, troweled off and all nice and level. All the pads are concreted. We're just cleaning up now, locking everything away. And we're done on this job. I thought it was going to be a nice, easy day coming in just to do some concrete commons. Then we get told as we get here, Barron Mix is on the way to do all the concreting. So yeah, we've had a busy morning and that's us done. Packing away time and off we go.